Hey, my money peeps! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey! My name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and here on this channel, we talk about anything and everything that relates to money and budgeting. Today, we are going to review my April budget, so let's go. Okay, a couple things about my budget. One, I am not a zero-based budgeter. That means I do not assign a task to every dollar of my paycheck. What I do is I make a budget based on the things that I know need to be paid during the month. Because in my mindset is, if those things are taken care of, then I could do whatever I want with the rest of my money. I do use a credit card to pay most of my household expenses. That way I get cash back or some type of rewards. So I use prop money right here, or placeholders, and this is just a way to help me to know that when items have been paid. Because I've been there where I thought I paid something, but then I get this little email saying your payment is due tomorrow, and it's like, what? So when I do pay something, I go into the envelope and I remove that prop money, and that's just kind of like my alert to know, okay, that's taken care of. So let's go ahead and jump in. I do have a new bill binder. I was at the A6, but I've moved up to A5. All my binders are going to A5. So the first item we are going to start with is my portion of the rent, which is $1,365. So we have here, we have $1,000, $1,100, $1,200, $1,300, $50, $60, and $5. So $1,365. Next up is T-Mobile, our cell service. We do have 4 cell phones and 2 Apple Watches, and that is $152. So we have 150, 1, and 2. Okay, next up is our utilities, and our utilities right now is $151. We are on the budget plan, which means that we pay a set amount every month for a total for 1 year. So there's no surprises. So 150 and 1. Internet, we have our internet through Comcast, and we pay $105. So 105. Next up is our subscriptions. So we pay monthly right now. Discovery Plus, which is a channel on our Roku, Hulu, Disney Plus, Apple Storage, and then Peacock, which is all channels on our Roku. So we are going to put aside $10, $15, $16. And those items automatically come out of my checking account, so I don't have to worry about paying it. It pays itself. Next, we have our cash envelopes. So we are going to be putting aside, for groceries, we're going to be doing $750. So that is going to include 1 week where we're going to do like a big shopping, and that's going to be $300. So weekly, normally it's $150. So my thought is like $150, $300, $150, $150. Then gas total for a month is going to be $300. That's for my car. Eating out, $300. Miscellaneous, $100. And then snacks, $140. So total we should have, so we have $1,000, $1,500, $1,600. Oh wait, hold up here. Like $1,000, $1,550, $70, and $90. So $1,590. And then next we have sinking funds. Sinking funds, I'm going to say $400. It's never $400, but I'm gonna just put $400. Because usually my sinking funds, I'll wait until I take care of everything else and then see what I have and then put that money towards it. So we're gonna do $100, $200, $300, $400. And then last, we have the miscellaneous category, which I have right here. So this is a plan. Need to pay our taxes. I haven't done it yet because I just been putting it off, and I'm like, I'm just gonna wait till the last minute. It is going to be $542. I have my birthday is this month. Hey! And that is going to be $100. My mom's birthday is also this month. And when I say this month, I mean April. And so I'm thinking $100 towards her. I need to pay my Canva subscription, which is $116, which we have the money in our sinking fund. And then also my money for my birthday fund, which is $48. So in case you're not aware, what I'm doing is I am putting my birthday age in the envelope every month. So I will be turning 48 next month or April. And so every month it's $48, $48, $48. And then when I turn 49, it'll be $49, $49, $49. That's just something that I'm doing. So for miscellaneous, we need to put in, we have 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 95, wait, 900, 905, 6. So $906. So I do my budget here on GoodNotes. I always start with this, but then I also put it in my binder. So let's move to my binder. So I do write my budget out in a binder, and I do include more detailed information on here, and that I will share with you. So the top portion basically is my household expenses. It's everything that we just went over, you know, my rent, utilities, T-Mobile, all those items right there. And then my cash envelopes, which we already reviewed. And then also additional items that automatically come out of my paycheck. So for health insurance for the, was it 4 of us? 1, 2, yeah, 4 of us. Hello, I don't even know how many kids I got. Our health insurance is $314.30. Our dental insurance for the month is $49.46. Our FAFSA, so our healthcare spending account, $219.24. So basically we get a set amount at the beginning of the year that we use. We have a healthcare Visa card, but they do take out like the monthly amount to go towards that total out of my paycheck. And then the Washington long-term illness that we have to pay. And that's $273.06 a month. And that's for both myself and my husband. My 401k, which is $290. And then the rest right here are the other miscellaneous items that you've seen. So like, you know, our taxes, my sinking funds, birthday, things like that. And then I do have a balance on one of my credit cards. It's Cap One. It is $906.71. That is for my daughter's computer, but she is paying in that. So I don't consider that as like debt or anything, but just a reminder for the balance. I've just put here on my budget sheet. Okay, guys, it is time for question of the day. This is a moment in my video where I stop and pause. I ask you a question. You run down to the comments and answer it. This way we have some type of interaction. So my question today is, are you a winter or a summer person? Now, see, I like winter because I don't like being cold, but I like being able to wear my hoodies and my sweatshirts. I love my flannel pants. I love my blanket. And I also love having the fireplace on. Summer, it's like I like the idea of, you know, sunlight, being able to wear my short sleeves, don't have to wear a jacket, but I don't like being hot. So that's the problem. 70 degrees, perfect. So I'm going to say I'm probably more of a winter person. Let me know down in the comments, what are you? I hope I did not say anything crazy in this video because I just got done working a 12-hour shift into the night. And really, I should be sleeping. But you know how when your rhythm gets changed and your body just is out of whack? Like, I cannot sleep right now. But I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and film this video because I want to start April on the right note. I want to fresh out the gate, ready to go. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, show this girl some love and support. It takes like half a second to go beep right into that like button. Don't forget to hit that bell so that way you are notified when my next video goes live. And until next time, guys, see ya!